Vinayagar Chaturthi is just around the corner, so today I'm going to show you all how to make Ganesha's favorite Kozhukattais or the Modakams. I'm going to use Idiyappam flour for making these Kozhukattais. This is something which I do quite often. It usually comes out very well. The dough doesn't break, it's easy to shape, and the Kozhukattais are quite soft. But if you don't get this Idiyappam flour, you can use the rice flour, but make sure you buy the fine ones and not the coarse ones. I'm going to start with the filling first. So for the filling, take some jaggery in a saucepan and add a little bit of water to it and cook this for a few minutes till the jaggery melts and gets dissolved. Now the jaggery mix is ready. I'm going to keep this aside. Take a pan, add few spoons of ghee and fry the shredded coconut for a few minutes till you get the nice aroma of coconut. Add some cardamom powder and mix them well. Now strain the jaggery syrup into the coconut and cook this for a few minutes till the water evaporates and you get a nice thick mix. Once it's done, transfer it to a bowl and cool this completely. Now for the dough, take some water in a saucepan, add few spoons of ghee to it, add some salt, and when the water comes to a boil, add the flour little by little and mix them well. So now the dough is almost ready. I'm going to let it rest for a few minutes till the heat comes down a bit enough to handle them. And always keep the dough covered so that it doesn't go dry. Grease your palms with enough of oil and knead the dough for a few minutes and start making the Kozhukattais. First, I'm going to use a mold to make the Kozhukattais. Grease the mold with some oil before you place the dough. Now I'm going to make this in the shape of a Modakam. Now I'm going to steam cook these Kozhukattais for around 7 minutes. So here I have my Kozhukattais hot and ready to serve. Hope you all try this delicious Kozhukattais for this Vinayagar Chaturthi and enjoy.